emergency fuel vent. Check. Laser cannons. I said check out. Shut them down before you blow up the whole place. Sometimes after I can't understand the logic.
Paging Star Tours passenger Mott Warren. Please pick up the nearest white courtesy comlink. Passenger Mott Warren to the nearest white courtesy comlink. Thank you.
I meant to do that.
Hey, who's going to Oyster Park? Anyone? I just have a funny. Wow. It's something like 373 degrees Celsius. Seems like someone ignored the fact.
All passengers must wear trans-dimensional optic enhancement units, or as I like to call them, flight lights. You can pick them up around the corner. Remember, you must return your glasses after your flight. Don't make me come after you, because I will. Even though.
Come on. Enjoy your flight.
Have to pull the belt out from the right side. Please pay attention to the following safety information. When the automatic doors have opened, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the way across your aisle, filling in every available seat. Galactic regulations require that all carry-on items be safely stowed beneath your seats. To fasten your restraint, use the yellow strap to pull the belt out from the right side of the seat and snap the belt into the buckle on your left. For your safety, remain seated throughout your flight with your restraints securely fastened, and please watch your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados, con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y cuiden a los pequeñitos.
Do not put on your flight glasses until instructed to do so by a crew member. One final reminder, smoking and photography are never permitted on any Star Tours flight. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a Star Tours agent. You'll be boarding in just a few moments. Thank you.
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
Star Tours, 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
No. Excuse me. You don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Stop right there.
Don't shoot!
I know you have a spy on board.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake.
They're a spy and a traitor to the First Order.
I've never seen that human before. Okay. Gotta go!
Don't be a fool.
No!
You are no match for the power of the dark side.
Oh! Guns, R2! Someone could get hurt! Godspeed, R2! Now! R2, I don't like the look of this. just got worse!
Star Tours, what are you doing here?
I have no idea!
Well, stay low.
Why?
It confuses their tracking. Now put your shields up. If they work.
Oh dear! This is no time for heroics! Oh, thank the Maker. Shoot! And you, stand back this instant. Arthur, I'm getting us out of this dreadful place. The transmission. BB-8, what are you doing here? Mission? What mission? He says he has vital information to deliver and needs our help. Well, we're not going on any mission. It's bound to be dangerous. R2, we're not going. Good luck. Wait! Where are we going? No! This is suicide! We'll be smashed to pieces! In the event we don't make it, I want you to know that you have been the most wonderful passengers. Pull up, Arthur! Pull up!
All pilots, this is it.
You're right, R2. This mission cannot fail. Activate the laser cannons.
Watch it, Red 9. You got 2 ties on your tail.
They're on me tight. I can't shake them.
R2, the odds of successfully taking out 2 TIE fighters at once is approximately better than I thought. Well done!
All right, squad. Start the attack run. Remember, aim for the cannon.
What are you waiting for? Fire!
We did it! Thanks for your help, Star Tours.
It has been an honor.
SD-1401, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I do hope you have enjoyed your flight and watch out! Thank the Maker.
Hey, that's my ship. You got a lot of explaining to do.
On behalf of Starfleet, thank you for joining us. We look forward to seeing you on another flight soon.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors.
No more adventures of your